Assignment. With this feature, you can create, grade and review the results for the assignment that you have given to your class. Click on the Quiz and Assessment button on the dashboard. Select the course to which you would like to create assignment module. Selected course content page is opened. Click on Create Learning Activity icon on the bottom of the page. In the activity pop-up screen, select Assignment and click on the Add button. Enter name and description of the assignment. In description, instructions pertaining to the assignment, or questions for the assignment can be given. To display the description on the course page, enable the checkbox. In additional files, files pertaining to the assignment can be uploaded. Set the timing for the assignment. Enable the checkbox and change the Allow Submission from Date and Timing. Allow submission from means that assignment will be available only after that particular date and time for the students to submit. Due date means the assignment submitted after the date and time specified will be marked as late submission. Cut-off date means assignment submitted will not be accepted after the date and time specified. Submission types. Students can submit assignment either by upload files, or add media, or add text directly into text editor. Online text. Text typed into the editor is automatically saved, and the teacher can set a word limit in word limit field, which will display a warning if students exceed it. File submissions. Students can upload files of any type the teacher specifies. For file submission, number of upload files can be limited, and file submission size can be set, and file types can be restricted. Enter a file extensions including a .example.png, .jpg. If the file type is left empty, then all file types are allowed. It is recommended to set the type as .pdf instead of .doc or ppt, as grading can be done online directly instead of downloading the files. Under feedback types, select any of the feedback types. Feedback comments allows teachers to leave comments about the students' submissions as well as grades. Offline grading worksheet. Teachers can download the grading list as a spreadsheet. They can enter grades and feedback comments offline, and then re-upload the sheet. Feedback files. Teachers can upload files containing feedback when marking assignments. For example, you can upload marked up student submissions, documents with comments, or spoken audio feedback. Comment inline. This allows teachers to comment directly on an online text type submission. The submission text will be copied into the feedback comment field during grading, making it easier to comment inline or to edit the original text. Under submission settings. If require students click submit button is enabled, students will have to click a submit button to declare their submission as final. If require that students accept the submission statement is enabled, students will be shown a statement that declares they are submitting their own original work and they will have to accept the statement before their submission is processed. If attempts reopened is set to manually, the student's submission can be reopened by a teacher. If set to automatically until pass, the student's submission is automatically reopened until the student achieves a passing grade. In maximum attempts, enter the number of submission attempts students can make. Under group submission settings. If students submit in groups is enabled, students can submit in groups. For example, a group of students can submit one file that contains the joint work of the group. If required group to make submission is enabled, users who are not members of the group cannot make submissions. If require all group members submit is enabled, all students in a group must individually click the submit button, in order to acknowledge that they are signing off on their group's joint submission. Grouping for student groups option will show the list of groups available. Under notification, if notify graders about submissions is enabled, teachers receive a notification whenever a student submits an assignment. If notify graders about late submissions is enabled, teachers receive a notification whenever a student submits an assignment late. Please note that if you are using group mode, then course teachers need to be members of the group in order to receive submission and late submission notifications. After entering the assignment settings data, click on Save and Return to Course button. Assignment is created. Grading the assignment. Open the assignment which you want to grade. In Assignment Dashboard, under Grading Summary, click on View All Submissions button or Grade button. Or click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page and click View All Submissions. Grading page is opened. Grading page displays a list of students with columns, containing information about their respective submissions. Columns include information about the submission, submitted file, and any feedback files, grade, comments and other information. Click on Grade button. In the right bar, on the Submissions section, download the submission by clicking on the file link. Enter the grade in the Grade field, and comments in Feedback Comments field. Feedback files can also be attached. Click Save Changes to save grades. If a student has submitted their assignment as a PDF, file is directly opened. You can select Tools from the menu at the top bar to mark anything on the file and add comments. After saving changes, students can see the comments and markings on the file. Click on Change User menu in the top right of the screen to switch between students. View and download all submitted assignment. Open the assignment to which you want to view and download all submitted files. To view all assignments submitted, in Assignment Dashboard, under Grading Summary, click on View All Submissions button. Or click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page, then in the Assignment Administration menu, select View All Submissions. In Grading Action, select Download All Submissions from drop-down menu. The zip file gets downloaded containing all submitted assignment files.